So I've been busy, okay? So after I recorded the video about how I want to invest, I then I watched my own video while editing. Actually, no, I didn't edit. Actually, I just posted it because it's always so short. Anyway, turns out that I had this light bulb moment when I remember that actually I have I have actually experienced this buying shares thing, and that didn't go according to plan. Anyway, so I went digging, looking for some documentation, and I remember that I did call this company last year. So in 2000, so actually I had to write it down. October 2000, I invested £1,000 in. Don't ask. I don't know. I think I called them up and said I wanted to invest money, and I don't know what they rattled off to me. Anyway, I gave them £1,000, and they sent me all this documentation, and off the investment started in 2000. Then not too long after that, I think the market crashed at some point, and I remember them sending me a letter saying that my £1,000 was now worth like £150, and that I had the option to actually take my money back. And I thought, what's the point? It's invested. It's invested. I really don't like taking things back. Even when I buy something in the shop, I've spent the money. So even if I have to return it, I would always get something else. I'm not really, wanting the money back. Just give me something else. So when they sent me this letter to say you could have £150, and I thought, £1,000, £150, nah, you keep it. We'll see how it goes. So sometime last year, so before that, they always send you updates. This investment people, booklet of things for you to read. I never understand what I'm reading, so I don't look at it. I just know it's from them. So as a reminder, I think last year, this booklet came in on the 18th of February 2020. Funny enough, I called them up to see how far with my investment. Turns out, after giving them lots of information and confirming who I am, blah, 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 turns out my £150 in 2008, this company had bought over these assets to manage part of my, I was part of their managing, my bit. And in 2008, my investment of £1,000 was now worth £233.88 is what my £1,000 was now worth. So it's made progress. In 8 years, it's gone up a bit. So in 2020, last February, when I called them, miraculously, my £1,000 that became 150, that became £233. Last year, February, when I called them, my investment was now 1,249 pence. So in 20 years, I had gotten the money back. And I didn't know what to do. I said to the woman, I don't know what to do, actually. That money, I'd actually written it off. So let the money just sit there with you guys. I'm not really going to be using it for anything. So I've just, having made the first video, I've just called them back. I'm like, okay, guys, listen, I want to start investing. Who are you guys? What do you do? So they gave me their details. I've actually downloaded their app. I've set up an online portal. I've downloaded their app, and my investment today is £1,441 from the initial 21. So it's 21 years it's taken to get money up. And so I now understand who they're investing in. I've got this thing called, what have I got? I don't even know the name of the thing I've got. Global Equity Fund. I have got investments in Global Equity Fund. Whatever that is. I'm just liking it. And I said, so I'm set up now. So I guess this is my strategy I'm explaining to you guys. My strategy for investing now in these stock shares, Bitcoin, is to go back to the people I first invested in. I've got them, and I've got set up an app, I've set up an online portal, I know what my fund is called, I know how to put more money in if I want to. And I was just about to put my money in, but I thought, once bitten, twice shy. Let them be with £1,000 and let them just be doing what they're doing. What I do understand better now is I made a printout of the companies that this thing is actually under. You know, the company that they're investing in, you know, top 10 companies that they're investing in. It's not looking too bad. What we wait and see. So this is basically an update. So what else am I going to do? I am going now. I've got 2 apps that have been recommended. So I will leave the links or the names to the app in my description box. I will leave the name to this organization that I'm investing in my description box. All names, all descriptions in my description box, in case you want to know. But this is just telling you my little story about my initial investment. 21 years ago, I lost all my money, then I've gained all my money. How interesting. Investment is very interesting. It's almost, yeah, you just have to take the risk and let it not be money that you really want to use now, tomorrow. If not, you're done for. But otherwise, just chuck it in there. And I think everybody is doing this, really. I don't think there's anybody that can tell any market. It's just a bit of good luck and having lots of money behind you to support what you want to. It's gambling, is it? It depends on which way you look at it. Anyway, that's my story for this evening. I've been pretty busy in the past 30 minutes trying to gather all these things. So wish me luck. I shall update you pretty soon.